Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you would like to visit this waterfall, that you only need to pay the ticket. It is kind of about, hello, let me show you about the ticket. It is about 20,000 per person, guys, and will be really nice waterfall that we will be see over here. And okay, let's go after we get the ticket. This is the area surroundings. It is really nice and green area, guys. And this is the signs about the waterfall. It is only 100 meters from the main street. All the way going down, that we will be walking into the stairs, which is over here. It is not that far. It's really close, guys. It's really nearby. Okay. Right now, after I get the ticket, that I really would like to show you how gorgeous is the petanu waterfall. I'm just starting walking down. It's probably about 5 minutes from the parking. It's not that far. This will be really nice and amazing. I have been here a few times already with my customer, and they are really love it about this place. Especially, it's much more less tourist than other area. And then now I really would like to show you how gorgeous is this place, guys. So keep following my channel because this is really nice. I really would like to show you about the real up situation over here. Let's see and check it out. Wow, what a nice surrounding this area, guys. It's super nice and amazing. The area is super gorgeous. And all the way through the waterfall, we will be see the first 10 meters from the main street. It is the springs, the holy water from this area, and also all the way walking through the waterfall, it will be really nice surrounding because there is a big pool with a really nice fish all surroundings. That's cool, guys. And anyway, and over here it is like the spring water, holy water. That's whenever we are in Bali do the ritual, that everybody will come here to blessings and for the pure purification. And however, it's all on the way, like what we can see here is really nice area surrounding. This is like a little cave over here, and a lot of fish, like what we can see over here. Really nice. It's super nice and amazing, guys. Let's see how that's the situation over here. Like what we can see here, there's a lot of fish. Right, so I want to show you about the real situation in here. And some of the tourists do the push up. Really good. Healthy man. Right. This is a really nice surroundings. The wall, let me see and show you, it's more really nice. But because this is still a really not really touristic, that they are make a change room with the bamboo. It's really unique. Probably if you would like to swimming, after that one you want to change. It is made all from bamboo over here. This is super unique, guys. You don't need to pay anything again because from 20,000 is already get full access to use all the things that's prepared over here. And this is a little of Gazebo probably that you want to use next time, but now it's still on the progress because it is still a lot of preparation. Probably over here also they will be make a big pool. Then next time the tourists can make a swimming on the nature of the swimming pool over here. But it is still all on the process. And like what we can see here, there is a lot of green part over here, and also a lot of fontaine. It's natural fontaines over here, even though that we can drink the water. And over here there's also, we can see there is the temple from this area. It's super nice and unique. And Look at this. This is a really unique, especially it's no tourists at all. It's almost empty. Compared with another area, this area is super nice and amazing, but much more less tourists, guys. Look at that. It is real. So let me show you all around again, because I really want to show you what else that we can see over here. And this is the waterfall, all coming up from this area. And you also might do swimming over here. And also they already put the light. If sometimes it's dark, that you still can do swimming. So really nice over here. And hello. So now I really would like to walking a little bit more further to see all around this area. This is really nice and super majestic place. It is highly recommended to visit this waterfall, because if you are especially doesn't like a busy area or with a lot of tourist surroundings, because this is really nice, guys. Not so many tourists as we can see over here.
Added 50,000, I think, for this.
All right, let me show you all around this area again. So always be careful if you are visiting this area, because sometimes it's really slippery, especially whenever it's raining. So it's still okay, but you must be always keep looking to make your trip or your walk is a lot of fun. And also over here, like what I can show you guys, it is a palm tree. It is the local people from here that they are making the wines process. Like over here, they are doing the treatments about how to make a palm sugar. I also know about how to make it, because I came from the city side, so I have been make the palm sugar before, and it is a lot of process to make that, but it's really interesting. Next time I really would like to make a trip with my customer and show them about how is that the process from the palm sugar. Now I just keep walking through this area and show you what else that we can get at Petanu waterfall. And this is how that's the people use whenever they're making palm sugar in Bali. They only use one bamboo to make a stairs, the ladder to get to the top, to making the treatment through this flower from the palm. And then if they are lucky, they can make palm water, natural water over there. But let's see what else that we can see over here. This is more warungs from this area. Probably that you are really would like to get some drinks, coconut also, chips, cracker. Hello. And let's see. Okay. Get walking more further from this area. So we will be walking side by side with the river, exactly like what we can see over here. And this is the fish pool, guys. How that's in Bali, the people that's making the fish pool. There's the fish somewhere around here. And now I really would like to keep walking, because I really want to see the place for the whole school, the cave. And then before that, I really want to go to Pangkung Paras first, Pangkung Paras waterfall. It is about 50 meters from this side, but later I want to show you. Later we will be back here again because I really want to go to the cave to show you about how gorgeous is this cave. Okay. Hello. And over here it is getting close to the waterfall where you can do swimming. And this is look the kids that they are finished swimming over here. Hey, how are you doing? Good? Yeah, good, eh? And look at that. That's the place for the tourists doing the waterfall, guys. And there you go. This is the waterfall. And this is the real of my adventure for today to see Petanu waterfall. There's my friend from Australia. Super nice, guys. So just keep following my channel because I really would like to show you all about Bali. So this is the real of my trip. Woo! Okay, the cave is only 50 meters from here, but we have to walking on this a little bit slippery area, like what we can see over here. And sometimes whenever it's really raining, sometimes it's really slippery. But let's see. Because we will be walking through this area. And this is that we will be see some people doing the ritual for Hindu traditions. Okay, now I really want to see the cave over here. It's totally, there's like no tourists at all. So let's see how's the situation here, guys. And for your information, it is really slippery on here, so always looking and be aware with your but for me I'm okay because it's normal for walk like this area. Hi.
Hello.
Hey. Alright, are you okay? I'm sure that you have paddle.
Yes.
Oh, careful, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Come on.
Yes, please. This is the area, guys. Woo. Woo. This is the camp. Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is the cave, guys. Wow. Over here I will build do from the top. Alright guys, this is the real of my adventure to show you about house school here. Wow. This is the cave and I'm just alone here, like nobody was surrounding. And to be honestly, I'm really don't know what's here. Wow, this is the real of cave, guys. Swastiastu, Swastiastu. Wow. Ooh. Swastiastu. Wow. It's really interesting to see. This is the bed. Wow. I'm continue again because my battery was finished. Wow. Super amazing, guys. Oh man. The real of the cave here. Because I'm just alone, I'm just decided to go back here. I don't know what's going there. Next time I will be explore whenever I have my customer. Thank you, guys. Well guys, after I just visiting all that about Petanu waterfall, it's really amazing. Especially there's the cave also. It's really amazing. It's a really high recommend if you come to Petanu to visit this waterfall and also the cave, guys. So thank you so much for your time and see you again at another destination. Bye.